All right, welcome back, you guys. This is answering subscriber questions part 2, and we're going to answer some more questions about the Navy Federal secured loan, as well as some questions about banking with Navy Federal on the business side and Navy Federal credit cards. If that interests you, make sure that you hit the like button, subscribe to this channel, and share this video out with others. As always, let's get right into the video. So today, let's start off with the first question about the Navy Federal Pledge Shares Secured Loan. All right. So with the Navy Federal Pledge Loan or Shares Loan or Secured Loan, however you call it, it is a product where you can put up a security deposit, open up a secured loan, and then you are able to take the loan funds, pay down the loan balance, and once you've paid down the loan balance, you can actually take that. They will actually give you that money back from the loan balance, and then you can make smaller payments over the duration of the loan to keep the loan open. So one question that I always get is, how soon after you open up that pledge loan should you be actually going in and paying off the loan, or not paying it off, but paying it down? So I'm going to answer both of those questions. So number one, how long should you wait to pay the loan down? As soon as you are able to open up the loan and they give you the loan, what you're going to want to do is take the loan funds and go immediately back and pay towards the balance, not the complete balance, but pay towards the balance. You're going to want to pay somewhere around 80 to 90% down. You don't want to pay the loan off more than that, because Navy Federal may forgive the balance and then completely close out the loan, and you don't want to pay less than that, because remember, we're doing this to knock down the balance on the loan so that you're paying less interest and you're showing less outstanding debt. So once again, get the loan, knock it down. Depending on the size of your loan, you may even be able to go up to 95, 97% if you're getting a larger loan like 10,000. If you're getting a small, if you're getting a smaller loan like $250, $500, I'd recommend staying right around that 90% mark. Now, when should you pay off the loan? With secured loans, there's really only 2 times that you're going to want to pay them off, and that is once you've reached maturity on that loan, or after you've reached maturity on, or if you want to pay it off before maturity, I'd only recommend paying it off if you're going to be making a large purchase that the loan would affect, like purchasing a home or potentially a car, depending on the lender that you're going through. Now, the other question that I get is this loan going to be a hard pull, meaning will it result in a credit inquiry, or will this loan be a soft pull and it not? So with the pledge loan, the secured loan, Navy Federal for secured loans does not report a credit inquiry. However, for a secured credit card, they do. Now, the next question that I always get is this product a product that I should use? It is very much subjective to your situation. So if you're in a situation where it's going to be of benefit to you, and you can hold the loan open for long term, then I'd recommend getting it. If you can't hold the loan open for at least 6 months, I would say you may not want to apply for this loan. Like if you plan on applying for a house in the next 3 to 4 months, I wouldn't apply for this loan. I'd apply for a different product. Now, how soon after opening an account with Navy Federal, should you be applying for credit? Once again, subjective question. How is your credit score currently? Do you have a high score? Do you have a low score? Do you have a competitive credit profile altogether? Does it all look good? Have you previously had an account with them, or is this your first account? Are you opening secured products, in which I'd recommend going right away? Are you opening unsecured products, which you may want to wait a little bit and work on your credit score before you do? Or if you have a pretty strong profile, you can apply right then. Same day, you can apply while you're on the phone, opening up your checking account. And then next, going into membership. So when you're applying for membership, one question that I always get asked about is backdoor methods and stuff like that, and which I did put out a video talking about how you can get into Navy Federal if you do not have a direct family member in the military. And one thing that was on there was being a DoD contractor. Now, that would mean that you would have to directly have a contract with the Department of Defense. It doesn't matter what you do to get that contract, but you do have to be the one who directly holds the contract with the Department of Defense. And lastly, going into the Navy Federal business accounts. If you want to open up a business credit card with Navy Federal, this also goes for personal credit cards as well to a certain extent. The question that was asked was, can you use bank statements to verify income? And the answer is sometimes. You really have to use what the banks say that they want when you are applying for a loan. So if they ask you for tax documents, then you're going to have to provide those tax documents. If they ask you for bank statements, and that's what you're going to provide. Most banks, if you apply for a card with their bank and you have an account with their bank, they're able to check your cash flow on that account. So they can use that partially in that decision to verify income. So if you have an account with them and the income matches up with the cash flow on that account, then they may not even have to request any information from you. If you have an account with a separate bank and they're only seeing a small amount of cash flow on their side, then they may ask you for bank statements or tax documents from their bank or the IRS. With that being said, as always, thank you guys for watching. Thank you all for tuning in, and we'll see you guys in the next one.